Canada, usually the polite neighbor, is making a bold move. British Columbia is slapping a new toll on American trucks heading to Alaska. This isn't just about collecting cash, it's a strategic message to Washington, D.C. For years, the U.S. imposed tariffs and made demands, while Canada mostly played nice. Now BC is using its geographic leverage, the only land route to Alaska. Thousands of American trucks rely on the Alaska Highway to supply the state. By taxing this route, BC is targeting Alaska's lifeline. Premier David Eby says it's about Canadian sovereignty and environmental protection. This toll is a direct response to years of trade pressure from the U.S. It's Canada saying, "We're done being pushed around." The move is simple but powerful. Hit where it hurts, and make sure everyone feels it. It's not just about money, it's about respect and drawing a line. The message: if you play hardball with trade, expect us to play back. The Alaska Highway is now a battleground, not just a road. This is Canada's way of showing it won't be the quiet neighbor anymore. The old dynamic is over, the rules have changed. The toll is a warning, don't underestimate the power of geography. For Alaska, and for the US, this is a wake-up call. The polite neighbor just got tough. To understand BC's move, look back to the Trump era. The US slapped tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum, straining relations. Trump's administration also pressured BC to relax its environmental standards. Canadians felt betrayed, family turned adversary. Premier Eby refused to back down, defending BC's right to set its own rules. This toll is payback for years of economic bullying. It's not just about money, it's about respect and sovereignty. Canadians remember the trade wars and want to push back. Eby frames the toll as defending Canadian values and holding the US accountable. The move signals Canada won't quietly accept US pressure anymore. The wounds from past disputes are still fresh. This toll is a message future conflicts will have consequences. Canada is asserting its independence, making the relationship a two-way street. Alaskans are caught in the crossfire. Alaska depends on the Alaska Highway, through Canada, for vital supplies. The new toll means higher costs for trucking companies, businesses, and ultimately families. In a state with already high living costs, this stings. Alaska's leaders are urging calm and dialogue, hoping to avoid escalation. They know a trade war with their only land bridge is risky. Most cargo arrives by sea, but trucks deliver time-sensitive, essential goods. If trucking becomes too expensive, shortages could follow. Alaskans are watching, knowing their daily lives are at stake. This dispute exposes Alaska's vulnerability and dependence on Canada. The situation is a reminder. International politics can hit home fast. Alaska didn't start this fight, but they're feeling the impact. The pressure is on to find a solution before things get worse. This is no longer just about a toll. The Alaska Highway has become a symbol of US-Canada tension. Once a model of cooperation, the border is now a flashpoint. Canadians see the toll as a stand for national pride and independence. It's part of a bigger push to rely less on the US. The world is watching. Will this spark a trade war or lead to diplomacy? The outcome will shape how countries handle disputes with powerful neighbors. What started as a response to tariffs is now a defining issue. The highway is a symbol of sovereignty and economic defense. Leaders' choices will affect millions on both sides. Will this road lead to cooperation or conflict? When neighbors build toll booths, it's a sign of deeper problems ahead.